So, hello guys! In today's video ay may isi-share ako sa inyo na bagong online ESL na makikita lamang po sa Facebook page. So, ito po ay ang Morning Breaks Home Base. So, they have 7.2k followers and uh, parang Vietnamese ang inyong student dito. So, let's read. Okay. So, the responsibilities. Deliver personalized English lesson to Vietnamese student using provided materials and teaching tools. Provide constructive feedback to student to help them improve their English proficiency. Assist and evaluate student performance accurately. Correct grammar and pronunciation errors effectively. Track and report student progress and attendance consistently. Ensure each lesson is engaging and enjoyable for the student. Encourage student to follow instruction and grasp the lesson content quickly. So, I'm sorry if meron akong nababasa dito na hindi tama. Ah, Magpasensya nyo na po. So, troubleshoot technical issues during classes and promptly report any problems. Adapt teaching methods to suit students' learning levels and respect cultural differences. Adhere to company quality insurance guidelines, including utilizing online lesson tools, following lesson delivery processes, and maintaining high standard. Foster a positive and engaging learning environment for students. Collaborate with fellow teachers and support staff to enhance student outcomes. Attend occasional training and development sessions to further improve teaching skills. So requirements, preferably hold a bachelor's degree, although it is not required. Possession of teaching certification is preferred but not mandatory. TESOL, TFL, or TEFL, IELTS certification are considered advantageous. Previous experience is in teaching English is beneficial. Excellent English communication skills demonstrates a positive working attitude and strong work ethics. So proficient in using computer software and internet, has a quiet distract and has a quiet and distraction-free home office or work space, equipped with essential teaching tools including a whiteboard and markers, flashcard, desktop computer, laptop, webcam, and headset with a noise cancelling microphones. Reliable internet connection with a minimum speed of 25 Mbps for download and upload. So schedule operating hours from Monday to Saturday morning main shift 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. evening main shift 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. extra shift uh, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., 11:30 to 12 midnight. Teachers are required to work at least 5.5 hours per day from Monday to Saturday and commit to a minimum of 6 months or 826 regular classes with the company. So benefits, earn up to 220 per hour with opportunity for rate appraisal, bonuses, incentives, and perks based on teaching experience, certification, accent, and overall performance. Payment are made twice a month through local banks or digital wallets such as BDO, GCash with reduced deduction and penalties. We provide comprehensive and cost-free training program for applicant trainees and teachers, including certification. Additional, we offer an active support system to guide and assist our teachers. Enjoy flexible schedule option with morning, evening, and extra shift available. Teaching resources and tools are provided by the company. Easy to use booking system for convenient scheduling. Our student range from business professionals, adults, and young adults to kids. So courses subject include practice professional reflexes or NFLEX, intensive pronunciation AP, Practical Communication, CE, Vocabulary Development, VD, Business English Practice, BE, English for Children, Kid Talk, that's required pre-talk, and IELTS. So that's it. So they have form here. Also, you can fill up the form. So this is the form, and then you can apply now. So I hope na nakatulong itong video sa'yo. And then you can check now the page kung ikaw ay teacher. So you can apply now. I am not a teacher, but I am sharing a work from home job for anyone who really badly needed a work. So that's it. I hope you like and subscribe to my video, and then I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.